Good morning. This is Mr. Mlenga E. I'm going to answer with you two questions based on vernier calipers and micrometer screw gauge. The question goes as follows. What is the readings shown in the following diagrams? What is the readings shown in the following diagrams? So question 1, which came in 2021 GCE. This one, it is under vernier calipers. So now, how do we get the readings when we have such a diagram? So in an exam, they cannot bring the entire device, but they just concentrate on the part where you are going to pick the readings, and this is the one they usually bring. Okay. So first thing first, you have to distinguish between the main scale and the vernier scale. So always the main scale has units. So like as you can see here, we have centimeter. So the readings on top represents the main scale. Then the readings below represents the vernier scale. The other thing you can use to distinguish or to identify the readings between the main scale and the vernier scale is by checking the readings. As for vernier scale, each division represents 1. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Vernier scale has 10 divisions, standard one. Okay. So we have to pick the main scale reading and the vernier scale reading. So for the main scale reading, we have to look for the mark that is close to the vernier scale or just before the vernier scale starts. So the mark that is close, it's this one. Now what is this number? We have to count. Since we have numbers from 5 to 6, 5 to 6, so there are 10 divisions between 5 to 6. So each division represents 0.1. Each division represents 0.1. So 5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9, 6. So each division represents 0.1. So this mark, it is at 5.3. So 5.1, 0.2, 0.3. So the main scale reading is going to be 5.3 centimeters. Then we go to the vernier scale. Okay, so for the vernier scale reading, we have to look for the mark that is coinciding. The mark that is coinciding, to coincide is to pass direct from the vernier scale to the main scale. So the mark that is in line with each other. So from 0, 1, 2, 3. So the mark that is coinciding, it's 3. So we are going to write 3 here. Now this 3, it is coming without units. This 3, it is coming without units. We have to multiply this 3 with the accuracy of the vernier calipers in centimeters. So accuracy of the vernier calipers in centimeters is 0.01 centimeters. Then in millimeters, it's 0.1 millimeters. So we are going to pick the one which is on top. So times 0.01 centimeters. So vernier scale reading is going to be 3 times 0.01, which is going to be 0.03 centimeters. So this is how you should pick the main scale reading and the vernier scale readings. Upon having the two readings, we have to add. So now add main scale to vernier scale. So we have 5.3, 0.03. Now to balance the significance, we are going to add 0 here. Centimeter, centimeter. Make sure you attach readings. So now 0 plus 3, it's 3. 3 plus 0, it's 3. Then 5 plus 0, it's 5. So the reading for this device is going to be 5.33 centimeters. Okay, we go to the next question, which came in 2015 internal. So now this one, it is a micrometer. So now for the micrometer, same procedure. We have to identify the main scale and the thimble scale. So the main scale, it is the one which is having units and it is fixed. Then this is the thimble scale. Okay, how do we count the main scale? So we have numbers from 0 to 5, where so from 0, the divisions on top represents 1. So each division represents 1. Then the divisions below represents 0.5. So like from 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5. Okay, so let's pick now the main scale reading here. So the main scale reading, we have to look for the mark that is close to the thimble scale. This one, the mark that is close or at the edge of the thimble scale. This one. So it is going to be 6.5. So 6.5, you add 0 to balance the significance, millimeters. Then we go to thimble reading. So for the thimble reading, we have to look for the mark that is passing direct into the boundary of the main scale, or that is coinciding. So it's this one. So we have to count from 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the mark that is coinciding, it's 19. And this mark, it is coming without units. For us to attach units to this number, we have to multiply this number with the accuracy of micrometer screw gauge in millimeters, which is 0.01 millimeters. So 0.01 millimeters. So our thimble reading is going to be 19 times 0.01, which is going to be 0.19 millimeters. So now we have the main scale reading and the thimble reading. We have to add the two. So 6.50 millimeters, 0.19 millimeters. So 0 plus 9, it's 9. Then 5 plus 1, it's 6. then 0 plus 6, it's 6. So the reading is going to be 6.69 millimeters. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Then for extras, you can call on the following numbers: 0977 69 37 54 or 0763 34 61 57. Thank you.